Hello, happy woodworkers, man in here with Heartwood Art. If you make sawdust glitter, you're going to need a way to clean it up easy. And I love having these two things in my shop. Let me show you. The first one is this squeegee broom, and it has a rubber edge on it, and boy, does it clean up all the sawdust great. Let me show you. Now, the broom I got actually was a set of two, and it had several extensions on it. And I found that these extensions, sometimes they're really super tight, and sometimes they're not, but a little duct tape made that really solid for me. The next one is this little Wolf Box air blower. If you don't have a compressor, you don't want to get out your leaf blower, man, does this thing work. Let me show you. Now this thing does have a few settings that you'll want to know about. Here's the power button, and when you press it once, you have to hold it, and you can see you've got three little lights. That's the power setting, so you can control how much wind comes out of it. This is on high, and then press it again, you go down one, and then press it again, and go down to the lowest setting. And then here on the back is the USB to charge it. Okay, that's it. You can find the link for both of these below the video. And thanks for using my affiliate links to help support the free and helpful information you get from this channel. And I'll see you in the shop.